Quantum entanglement, a key concept in quantum computing. Quantum computing is a revolutionary technology that promises to solve complex problems faster than classical computers. At the heart of quantum computing is a concept called quantum entanglement, which is key to understanding how quantum computers work. In this video, we'll explore what quantum entanglement is and why it's so important in quantum computing. Quantum entanglement is a phenomenon that occurs when two or more quantum particles become correlated in such a way that their properties become interdependent. This means that if you measure one of the particles, it will affect the state of the other particle, no matter how far apart they are in space. This may seem like magic, but it's actually a fundamental property of quantum mechanics. One of the most famous examples of quantum entanglement is the thought experiment known as the EPR paradox, named after the physicists Einstein, Podolsky, and Rosen, who first proposed it. In this experiment, two entangled particles are separated by a large distance, and when one particle is measured, the other particle's state instantly collapses into a corresponding state. This effect is often referred to as spooky action at a distance. Quantum entanglement is a key concept in quantum computing because it enables quantum computers to perform certain calculations much faster than classical computers. For example, one of the most famous quantum algorithms is Shor's algorithm, which uses entanglement to factor large numbers exponentially faster than classical algorithms. This has important implications for cryptography, as many encryption schemes rely on the difficulty of factoring large numbers. Another key application of quantum entanglement is in quantum teleportation, which is a process that allows information to be transferred from one quantum particle to another without any physical connection between them. This is achieved by using entangled particles to teleport the quantum state from one particle to another. Conclusion. In conclusion, quantum entanglement is a fascinating phenomenon that plays a crucial role in quantum computing. By harnessing the power of entanglement, quantum computers can perform calculations that are impossible for classical computers, opening up new possibilities for scientific research, cryptography, and more. If you're interested in learning more about quantum computing and its applications, be sure to subscribe to our channel and website for more videos like this one.